Bang, bang. What's up, you guys? I hope you're doing well. Bitcoin today on a Tuesday. And before we actually check what's going on with the Bitcoin, we have a look to the overall market. And here we look to the heat map of the S&P 500. It's like, I would say, a mixed picture. Green and red, but all in all, it's mixed. It's interesting that Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, so the tech area is quite green, but the rest is more red. We quickly check rate hike expectations for June 14. 80% of the market believes no increase in interest rates. We're sitting on 5%, as you guys know. Expectations have not changed. It looks like that the market believes that by the end of the year we see a decrease of 2%. Why is this important? Because Bitcoin is a risk asset, like the tech industry as well, and the interest rates has an influence. So we quickly check the gold price. We still sit over $2,000 and quite stable. That's a good thing. So here we come to a Bitcoin. Well, we're sitting only on $27,000. We are going sideways, as you can see here, since quite a while. This is on a 4-hourly base. I would say not really something happens. That's what it is. Market capitalization. We're still on 12 with 524 billion. All right, quickly come to the block time, which is 789990. As you guys know, every 10 minutes a block is generated. We had a bit of problems last week with the BRC20 standard. So meme coins were being too much traded on the Bitcoin blockchain, and but this is now much more normal. The unconfirmed actions are 278182, so normality is more or less back. That's good. Bitcoin halving clock, 327 days we have to wait. It's still April 7, and bear in mind, this is every 4 years the birthday from Bitcoin. Okie doke. So a new week and a new game, I would say. What is important? Today, hopefully, McCarthy and Biden, they have a talk about the debt ceiling problems. America's running out of cash probably in the next 10 days. The daily deficit is about $10 billion, by the way. There's also a lot to do with the treasuries and the interest we have to pay for the treasuries. So the whole market and also Bitcoin is affected by this. So it will be interesting to see what's going to happen today. All right, we quickly check the technical data from Bitcoin, fear and greed. We are back in the greed zone with 54%. That's good. Heat map today more or less all red. And dominance has not changed, around about 48% for the Bitcoin. I said it very often. Future market is going down. Spot market is coming up. We see that the liquidations are much less now in the last 4 days. Here in this area, people burned their hands, I would say. Long and short liquidations, which was not good. But well, it's more driven now by the spot, and here we have a spot, 47,300,000. Strong, consistent increase. This is the market, the real deal, the spot market. Okie doke, Google Trends, a little bit an upturn, but not much happens. The US is still not in the market. Volume is still much too low. This is why we have this strong increases and decreases with $1,000 and $1,500 on a daily basis. Very important, the trend following indicators now. We're starting with the Bollinger Bands. What is good? This is on a daily basis. 4 days ago, we jumped under the red line from a Bollinger Bands. That was not good. But we recovered here. We are moving back to a blue line. And well, on the MACD, it will be very interesting to see because we have this long trend here since March. It's a downtrend. And, well, so important we'll see, do we see a bullish crossover from orange line to the blue line? Should be, because usually the market goes in green, red, and on and on. So this will be interesting. Why it can happen, RSI is on 40%, so the tendency from the market is still, it's more oversold. Momentum indicator says nothing is going to happen. Our cycle model is perfectly on track, so model matches real price. Difference is only $254. It speaks for the model. Expectation is 41,000 for the halving. Second model indicates that base case number 1 is most likely going to take place. We have 2 base cases. It looks like that the lower base case is going to take place. Target is 44. Okay, Fibonacci retracements. We are right in the middle of the nowhere zone, which is the 50% zone. And for a long time we are here. Well, we are here since March, more or less. We had a little bit of breakout in the golden box, but we're playing around on the borderline here, and we are right in the middle. Okay, talk. Finally, moving average 50 to 200 days. Yes, it's true. We had the trend change from a downtrend in February. So since February, we see an uptrend, which is all the green bars here. But it's not going on, huh? We are sitting here and it's getting flat. That's basically what it is. All right, so our expectations still for the next halving in April 7 next year, 24, is about $42,000. So I hope it was relevant information. Thanks for watching. It would be great to see you tomorrow again. Thanks and bye-bye.